Hi! Here's how to quickly auto-generate subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 18.5. We're going to subtitle the video from my last tutorial. Here's the audio without subtitles. Hi! In today's tutorial, we're going to emulate a nostalgic film color grade in DaVinci Resolve. This specific tutorial is on the iPad, so I don't have a top menu bar, but on desktop, all you need to do is select Timeline and click on Create Subtitles from Audio. On the iPad, navigate to the Cut tab. On the left, click on the middle timeline icon and select Create Subtitles from Audio. A small menu will pop up, where you can make some initial choices and selections regarding line length, etc. Then, click Create. Depending on the length of your video, it could take a few minutes, so be patient. Trust me, your screen is not frozen. And there you go. Your subtitles have been created on a new subtitle video track and are synced up to the audio. You're ready to make any tweaks you'd like. In this example, I want to add a semi-transparent background to all of the subtitles so they are legible, and I want to reposition all of them. To do that, click on one subtitle clip and open the inspector. Click on the Track tab. Scroll down until you see Background and turn that on. I left the default settings as is. Then scroll up to Transform and adjust the position to your liking. Notice that anything you do in the Track tab affects all of the subtitle clips as a whole, like how I'm adjusting the size here, and it is affecting the size of every subtitle. The last thing is, if you click on the Caption tab, here is where you can actually edit your subtitle, like how I'm doing. In today's tutorial, we're going to emulate a nostalgic film color grade in DaVinci Resolve. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.